For the last 7 years, we are implementing OSIsoft in manufacturing, power, and utility companies in Europe. During that time, we solved similar problems multiple times with the system usability. To make our system's extensions widely available, we created Smart RDM. Smart RDM is a production monitoring interface with an automatic reporting generated from process data and advanced analytics module. In this video, we will guide you through our solution. Firstly, we will explain the Smart RDM features and how it can support your organization. Then, we will discuss in depth how it integrates and extends OSIsoft PI functions. Lastly, we will explore its big data module. Smart RDM gathers in one platform various information sources. Firstly, you can upload any file in any format such as Word, Excel, or photo. Secondly, it integrates with BI tools. These interactive reports can be viewed directly in the Smart RDM portal. Thirdly, it automatically generates production reports from OSIsoft software. With PI Vision, it can provide a real-time infrastructure overview with interactive monitoring of each element of production. Through the analytical dashboard, you can launch more advanced analysis such as scenario testing or predictive maintenance. This way, all the information is available in one place, easily accessible by the users. The system was created to meet the needs of production operators, analysts, managers, and directors. Operators can manually add data to the system, correct the data, and add notes to the data entries and reports. They can use that to comment on downtimes and failures in production processes. With the help of alarms function, they can monitor events and take action. Analysts provide context to reports with insights from other business systems. They also prepare algorithms for the analytical module. Managers can track all relevant indicators and monitor the production process. They are responsible for publication of every automatically generated report. Directors have one place to review every piece of important production-related information, such as reports with failures analysis for the decision-making process. Managers and directors can run available analysis when they need it. Smart RDM is available on customer cloud or on-premise. Let's dive deep into the application. User authentication is based on single sign-on with your corporate account. We support Active Directory, including Azure Active Directory, as well as Google Authentication. Access control to functionalities and modules is based on roles and groups that are defined on the corporate account level. After successful login, you can see a dashboard with a list of modules or reports that was assigned to you by the supervisor. Feel free to configure the look and feel of the dashboard to your preferences with a drag-and-drop feature. You always have quick access to the list of subscribed reports. These reports are also sent to you by mail. We have two roles in the system, user and supervisor. If you are a supervisor, you will also have access to an administration panel that allows you to manage each module and access to the reports. Access control to the particular reports is organized by the group's mechanism. It can be managed directly in Smart RDM. All reports coming from different sources are collected in one place. You can easily find a particular report using the filtering feature. Filters are based on categories and report name. You can view each report directly in the Smart RDM portal. Thanks to that, you don't have to go to other tools and systems to see the report. All of the reports are presented in the same manner with the same functionality. This allows users to easily use information from different sources without formatting and interface problems. Beside viewing the report, you can add it to favorites. For quick access on your dashboard, subscribe to the report and download it. You can also create a custom report based on existing ones. Each new reporting source linked to Smart RDM is called a module. Each report source offers different features of the report. We reflect them in the Smart RDM flexible report model. For example, in Tableau Report, you can download the file in 3 different formats. This way, different reports can be transparently presented to the user in Smart RDM, and at the same time, specific features related to the reports can be supported. End users don't need to know the source system or reporting tool. To make sure that users only get the information they need, you can give each person access to only certain reports or modules. This can be done using either internal Smart RDM or corporate groups in AD related to organizational units or groups. Let's move on to the second part of the video. Smart RDM's main feature is automatic reporting based on predefined forms and data from OSIsoft PI. To achieve that, Smart RDM uses OSIsoft PI Asset Framework to assign process data to assets. Firstly, in the PI AF system, we configure the asset tree to reflect the company's structure with plants, units, and devices. Asset structure is the base for reports templates, where report positions are asset framework attributes. You can manage the template forms in report templates. For example, if you would like to add a new report position to your daily report, you have to just add and configure it on the daily report template in PI Asset Framework. All of the design changes automatically appear in Smart RDM. Then we can connect it to process data stored on the PI system. Additionally, you can add other data sources. In many cases, to make a valuable report, we need to complement process data with operational and business data, like orders information that come from other systems. Using BI tools, Smart RDM automatically fills in the forms and generates the report with data from the linked data sources. The form has to be authorized by the supervisor. After publication, the report is automatically sent to subscribed users. For example, you can set the form for the monthly environmental report. It is created automatically every month. After authorization, it is instantly sent to the right department in the company. With PI Asset Framework templates, we created a flexible reporting structure that allows to link process and operational data in one system. As an authorized user, you can easily navigate the production reporting structure using an intuitive tree. Once you find an interesting report template, you can filter the data or time according to template configuration and review the right report for further work. You can subscribe to this report if you want to receive by email the latest version of it when published. You can also create a new report if there is no report created for a required date. In this case, report positions will be filled automatically with available data. At this stage, each PI-based report is available through an interactive form, which is automatically filled with data. To generate the final reports in PDF form, the interactive form must pass a workflow process consisting of specific actions performed by the user. It consists of only 4 steps after report creation: addition, submission, approval, and publication. The corresponding status is assigned to each step of the workflow. Each user has an assigned right to perform specific steps of the workflow. For example, a manager can accept and publish a report. These permissions are granted by the supervisor. Permissions apply to a specific asset tree level and report template. The actions that are available on the current stage are configured in the report template in PI AF. The user can enter the edit mode and enter or correct the data manually and send for acceptance. The system automatically validates changed or added data. You are able to preview the final reports at any time. After reviewing it by the manager, the report is published. The publication of the report is the separate process in which the approved report data are turned into a final nice-looking PDF using a BI reporting tool. After a successful publication of a report as a PDF, it is shown in Smart RDM and immediately distributed to subscribed users. Some reports may be required to attach some additional files. This can be easily done using file drag and drop. Each user action related to status changes, as well as each data modification, is logged in the system. What's more, the application reports which user modifies the particular report position, adds or modifies data points, and it stores the original value. In the approval step, when you reject the report data, you have to enter the reason of the rejection, which is also reported. These features are in place to make sure that the whole process of preparing the report data is safe and compliant. Another tool of OSIsoft software that can be integrated to Smart RDM is PI Vision. It allows you to generate a real-time infrastructure overview on each level of production. These real-time visualizations from PI Vision are called synoptics and are visible only to authorized users. You can search for interesting visualizations using tree navigation. The tree structure is designed and configured directly in the PI Vision tool. To protect against unauthorized operations, synoptics are available to users in read-only mode. For a better view, you can use the full screen mode. The real-time monitoring of the technological process is complemented by the management of related events. Smart RDM allows the generation and handling of orders created automatically based on specific events, failures, alerts, or thresholds exceeded. The user can manage events, configure thresholds, and analyze parameters related to a given alert. Events are integrated with notifications sent to defined users or groups of users. This allows the operator to react quickly and take appropriate action on each incident. With the use of Smart RDM, we efficiently report the status of production. However, to better manage production in terms of planning and optimization, we need to introduce more advanced analysis operating in the full data context. Smart RDM provides users with such a computing app, Big Data Module. The module allows them to manage data load, run analysis, or predictions. Then it makes the results immediately available to the right users in the form of visualization, reports, or asset rankings. One of the broadly used types of analysis in Smart RDM is the digital twin type of model of devices and processes. The model simulates the behavior of production. Based on the comparison of the model and real data, we detect what is working incorrectly. Another widespread use is running simulations based on user-defined parameters. We can use them to improve efficiency, compare equipment operation, and verify production forecasts. Our Big Data module supports the most optimal scenario of cooperation between business and IT. To develop a new algorithm, a business owner defines the results and boundary parameters such as input, output, and context of the analysis. An analyst creates algorithms and implements it to Smart RDM. Business users can start analysis when needed with their own chosen data. Only authorized users have access to the algorithm repository. The tested algorithm is then placed via Smart RDM in the data science platform after acceptance. The analyst introduces a default startup configuration and makes it available to authorized business users. Once the system has been configured, the user can carry out the analysis himself by selecting an analysis from the list. Then he picks data that will be used for analysis, in this example, the period or production line. The analysis can be performed ad hoc or scheduled. The results are immediately visualized on PI Vision dashboards or filled in the report. During the installation of Smart RDM, we support you in every step, from setting PI AF till subscribing employees to reports distribution lists. With our deployment methodology, you can achieve the first results in 3 months. Contact us to discuss in detail how Smart RDM can improve your operations.